Jeff, let's talk about personal injury claims. What is a personal injury claim?
That's when someone's been hurt, maybe in a car wreck, maybe from a dog bite, maybe in a work accident, by the negligence or wrongdoing of somebody else.
And so the important thing about personal injury claims is they need to have, we need to be able to establish liability. It was somebody else's fault. Damages, you were hurt, a person was hurt. And coverage, there's a source of recovery.
Yeah, finding coverage is really important. You can have somebody else at fault, and you can be injured, but if there's nothing to get for that, that's bad. Like, we want to make sure we're looking at the assets of whoever caused this harm. We have an investigative team that will look into those things. We're trying to find all the insurance policies that we can sometimes stack on top of each other. That's something that not all law firms know how to do effectively.
Well, that brings me to my next question is, what should a person look for in a personal injury law firm?
You want experience. You want somebody that understands what they're doing. All of our lawyers on our trial team have done insurance defense work, represented the insurance companies, or been claims adjusters.
For many, many years.
For many years. And they have now moved over to representing people who are injured. So they know what the insurance companies are thinking. They know what they're going to ask. They know their tricks. And all of our lawyers are really good at building the value of these cases using our experts.
And why is that important?
Well, what we want to do is make sure we're capturing all the damages. It's easy to show somebody went to the doctor and got medically treated, but how has it affected them psychologically? How has it affected their work? How has it affected their home life? How has it affected their children? All of these things are difficult to capture and quantify and monetize, and we can do that with our experts.
Well, so our firm mission is to help people recover physically, financially, and emotionally after an accident. And so that's why that's so important to us, is we want to help people physically by getting them the very best medical care that we can get for them. We want to help them financially by maximizing the value of each claim. We want to help them emotionally by making sure that if they do have any mental health injuries as a result of this accident, that we get that treated and we get that included in their settlement. So we want to have a very comprehensive approach to helping people recover after these kinds of accidents, personal injury accidents. Let me ask you this, Jeff. After an injury, after an accident, some people, are thinking, should I call now or should I wait and see how it goes and then call? What is your response to that?
You want to call immediately, because we have an investigative team that will go out and gather evidence, talk to witnesses, take pictures of the scene, look at assets of whoever caused the harm, all of these different things. We want to get our experts involved early. We want to get all of our lawyers involved early on these cases so we can think through, how do we build the value of these cases? How do we take a $10,000 case and make it a $100,000 case, and a $100,000 case and make it a $1 million case? All of those things happen from the very beginning. And if we're not in early on it, then the insurance companies will be. They've got their teams of experts. They've got their lawyers working on these things early. And if you're up against them all alone, that's going to be a problem.
I think that's the key, is that the insurance company is working on these cases right now. And so if you're not working on these cases right now, you are at a big disadvantage. And so if you have a personal injury claim, call us now, and you can talk to us, and we'll go to work.